How to Use Gold Rush Tools by Andrew. These are the steps on how to make a cradle. Since I don't have a cradle for a video, look at the picture for visual references. The first step was for one person to go to the river and fetch water and rubble, gravel, and dirt to pour in the seeth. The second job would be for a different person to go to the handle and rock the cradle with the handle. Because why they would rock it is because all the crud in the seeth would let all the gravel and dirt and stuff they didn't need go through the seeth. Same with the water. And then they would be left with glinting pieces of gold. Then a third step is that the person who would be carrying rubble to the seeth would look for any gold dust on the ridges under the seeth. I can't show that in a picture because the seeth is already covering it. And why it was good to have 3 people is because the third person could get the gold dust from the ridges under the seeth. The second person could keep on rocking to make sure the gold stayed on top of the seeth, and for the first person to keep on retrieving dirt, so the process would just keep on going and going and going, and then they would strike it rich, maybe. This is how you use a pan. A pan was a tool that you put in the river and you scooped up dirt and rubble and then swished it around to look for gold. Something like this. Why there's less water now is because I poured some out. Why I poured some out is because the murky water wouldn't let me see any gold. But the water helped swish all the dirt around so the gold got to the bottom. Now I will pick through all that mud to find my gold. Whoa, this looks like a good catch. Do you see that huge nugget in those little pieces of color? I'm striking it rich today. Maybe let's dump some of this mud out to see if we can find any more. First, we should swish it a little more. You really didn't want to miss any gold, so you would shake it till you found all your color. Wow, I got that last nugget. That's awesome. This is how to use a long ton. A long ton was a long wooden kind of like a canoe-ish looking thing that was very shallow with ridges. I will be showing you how to operate a long ton. First step was to get some water in the first board that went to the long ton, like this. Yeah, that's really good. You need water. Now, what the point really is to wait. It was very simple to use a long ton because all you really had to do was make sure water was going in the top board, make sure it's flowing in the second board with no leaks, and then just look at the ridges for gold. Since gold was so heavy, the ridges would catch gold. And there also might be someone at the real long ton part at the end of the ridges to make sure there was no gold falling out from the current. So yeah, sometimes they would find little bits of gold in the ridges. The long tom would usually trap more gold than a cradle or a pan, or a cradle and pan combined. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.